Brothers, the gaming performance of the Realme GT8 Pro has been tested for everyone. It features a 200 million periscope telephoto lens and is co-branded with Leica memory imaging. I found that this year Realme's positioning really has a bit of an ultra meaning. The key is that after testing its performance, it surprisingly retains the traditional GP performance style. This year, besides iterating the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 series, the biggest highlight is that it introduced the new gaming independent display chip R1. Now it can achieve a native level Genshin Impact 2K plus 120 frames gaming experience. Genshin Impact with all high graphics settings maxed out, 2K at 120 frames, 15-minute average frame rate of 120 frames, full frame rate at 56% is 118.3, 2K plus 60 frames for half an hour, map running average rate is 60.1, 56% frame rate is 59.3, also close to full frame. After half an hour of testing, room temperature is around 23 degrees, phone temperature is around 41 degrees. And with the support of the independent display chip, Peace Elite can enable the high resolution option, which according to the official statement, can reach 2K resolution. I don't know if everyone can see the difference, but after starting, the picture is indeed sharper. In the main city area of Peace Elite, with about 30 gunfights, let me directly give you the conclusion. This year, the scheduling of the GT8 Pro has been significantly increased, almost consistently running at 120 frames per second, and there are no longer any frame lock issues. The screen has also been changed to a purely flat design, with a 360Hz multi-finger touch sampling rate. The stability at 120 frames per second and the operational feel are even better than the previous generation. Additionally, the speakers have been upgraded, featuring 1.5 meter master level symmetrical dual speakers. Even without wearing headphones, I found that the footsteps on the left and right are still easily recognizable. Recorded the average rate of gunfights in the first 2 minutes at 111.5, with an average power consumption of 5.1 watts. The test lasted for 1 hour, and the maximum phone temperature was around 37 degrees. Stealth operation starts smoothly at 144 frames with the Realme 2K high resolution option, recording high frequency combat scenes. The measured average rate is 143.8, with an average consumption of 5 watts and 56% of frames at 142.8, also close to full frames. After half an hour of gaming, the phone
about 40 degrees Celsius.
Achieving this result is not only due to the powerful 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but also thanks to its 7,000 square millimeter heat dissipation VCA. In this imaging, you can see the even heat dissipation and faster thermal conductivity, preventing heat buildup. This year, an ultra-wideband pulse motor is also used, and I think the everyday vibration experience is already very good, with the effect in games being even better. Trust me, when playing Honor of Kings, you must turn it on. Now, every time you make a kill, it will give you an unprecedented impact vibration. As for the screen, it is co-developed with BOE, featuring a Q10 plus 2K resolution and 144 Hz frequency. The overall brightness is 2000 nits, with peak brightness reaching 7000 nits. This screen is very balanced, allowing seamless switching between daily use and gaming. This year, the appearance features a mechanical assembly design, maximizing its aesthetic appeal. I never expected it to have a 200 million pixel telephoto lens and a dreamy collaboration with the base frame. So this year, the Realme GT8 Pro's positioning can basically sit at the same table as an ultra flagship, while still being a street photography powerhouse with full gaming performance.